everyone! Welcome to Review Infinite, the best product review channel on YouTube today. Today we're here again with another list of 5 best products on the market. These reviews are based on thousands of customer reviews and positive ratings. So, let's make a list of best products in this video.
Top 5 Best Wireless Gaming Headphone Reviews. Number 5. Redragon K552. Red LED adjustable lighting. Custom mechanical switches. Mechanical keys with medium resistance. '87 standard conflict-free keys. Metal and ABS construction. Custom mechanical switches designed for longevity. Number 4. Corsair K68. %100% Cherry MX red key switches. Every key press registers correctly. Software CD not included with the product. Powerful Corsair Utility Engine CUE. How fast your in-game action are. Help protect from accidents so your game never stops. Number 3. Razer Ornator Chroma. Custom designed keycaps for quicker actuation. 10 key rollover anti-ghosting. Ergonomic magnetic wrist rest for ultimate comfort. Soft cushioned membrane rubber dome. A crisp tactile mechanical pick. Powered by Razer Chroma with 16.8 million customizable. Number 2. SteelSeries Apex M750. Real-time Discord in-game lighting notifications. Durable 5000 series aluminum alloy. Easy and intuitive per key RGB lighting customization. Reactive illumination to in-game events like low ammo. Item weight 3.1 pounds. Pure performance QX2 linear mechanical gaming switches. Number 1. Corsair K95 RGB Platinum. built to withstand a lifetime of gaming. Dual-sided with soft touch finish. 8 MB profile storage with hardware macro. Allow access up to 3 stored profiles. 100% Cherry MX speed RGB mechanical. Unleash blistering speed with the 1.2mm actuation.